Hi, this is Tom Matson, and I'm going to go over a quick overview of upgrading Teleprompter PRO version 2.3, show you how to do this and how to set it up on your web host at the same time, and kind of cover some of the new features that have been added and some that we haven't really created a tutorial on as of yet. So let's just get started here. We're going to go ahead and jump on up to File Manager. We're going to go over here, and we want to go into public HTML. Okay. And I am actually going to upload this to this site here. As you can see, has a WordPress installation on it. So I've created a folder called Demo, okay, which has the prior version of Teleprompter PRO on it. Looks like probably 1.4. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and click on Upload. Okay. Notice that the permissions are 644 here. I'm going to choose a file. Okay. And I'm going to go up here and I'm going to go to the Downloads. And I'm going to actually, I just want to get rid of this one, just to show you here. Okay. And I'm going to take and open this one up real quick. Inside here, there are, all your files are in here. There's a zip file right here called Teleprompter PRO .zip. And this is the one you're actually going to upload. You're going to get one like this, 2.3, and it'll have a folder in it called Teleprompter PRO. Inside it will be these files here, and these are the actual files that are part of Teleprompter PRO. Just to make it easier now, instead of having to upload everything, we've created this one here. So here's what we're going to upload, is this one right here. And it shouldn't take too long. It is done. Go back here. And it's showing right here. If for some reason it does not show up when you do that, just hit reload and it will show up. Now the other thing we did, one of the things we did here in enhancement is we made this all lowercase, because I know that sometimes people were going ahead and creating a folder and it was lowercase, and they were trying to use the directions in the video before and it showed uppercase, or a mixture of upper and lowercase, and it was confusing because it wouldn't work, because Unix servers are case sensitive. So if you have a URL that has uppercase letters and lowercase letters, that's what they need to be. So what we've done is, just to make it easier, is created this as all lowercase, so less confusion. I'm going to right click on here. There's two ways we can extract this. We can click extract here, or we can go up here and click extract. Both do the same. I'm going to go ahead and do that. And I'm going to put it right in here. Now, this is public HTML. That's the folder it goes into. If this were on our primary domain, then we would just be dropping it in here. Teleprompter PRO is what's called an add-on domain onto my primary domain. So it already has a folder called Teleprompter PRO. And I'm going to put it into Demo. And that's a new folder that I've created for this Teleprompter PRO. And we're going to extract them. We're going to close. And you see that folder's not here, so we're just going to hit reload. And there it is. Okay. And you can see all the files are here. One of the other things we did in this latest release is we added an index.php file. And the reason for that is, especially for people who have WordPress installations, the rewrite rules sometimes cause a conflict, and even though it should work just fine, it creates some confusion for people, and if you're not that familiar with it, it just makes it much more of a challenge. So what now all you have to do is, instead of putting in teleprompter-pro PHP at the end, all you have to do is just put the folder in the URL. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to put it in here real quickly. Okay, we're going to go to demo. So just like it was, Teleprompter, Teleprompter PRO. Here. There it is. Okay. Now, what we've done here in the last couple of versions is we've moved the most important and most used features and functions to the top. We have the text file import, teleprompter speed, teleprompter delay, and mirror text option. And right below the text file import is the box that this will drop into. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take and we're going to go ahead and let's go into the downloads and let's go to, let's go to admin stuff, let's go to content. And let's just take, we're going to take special characters and I'm going to drop that in. And we've also, in the last couple of versions here, we have added the different ability to add language characters, special characters for different languages, and they will all display as they should. And what I'm going to also do here is I'm going to select all, and I'm going to copy them, and I'm going to bring them down here because we're going to use them in a minute for another part of this overview. And maybe I'll just drop them in here too. Keep them in there as a container. Okay, so first thing I want to do is at the same time, I'm just going to show you how the mirror option works. We got standard, mirror, and then flip-flop. And a lot of people had wanted this mirror option. What I'm going to do here is come down here. Not going to make any other changes to settings, just going to click Let's Do It. And as you can see, it is mirrored. Now, I can show you some other features, but I'm going to do that on the next. I'm going to do that on the next one. And so basically, that's how that part there works. Is they go through, it scrolls through in a mirrored fashion. I'm not going to belabor that. I think you understand how that works. Let me go back. Okay. Now, what I've done here is I've dropped them in. Now, this is clear at the bottom of the page as we scrolled from the top all the way down to the bottom. Another function that we've added, another feature, is the ability to save your script as a text file. So we've dropped all of this in here so we can do that. And if you don't give your file a name, it will create one for you. But I'm just going to go ahead and call this special characters. And I'm going to say save text to file. And there it is, right there. It just created it. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. And as you can see, it's in there just like we had it. So that's a nice little feature there, save text right there, and that's at the bottom. Okay, now I'm also going to take right here and I am going to grab another file here. And this one here is, I'll also take and put it down here as well too, just hold on to it. Okay. What this one does here, and as you're going to see, as I'm just going to go ahead and use it and demo it at the same time here. Oh, whoops, let me get it off the mirror. And it's on standard, okay. I'm going to go ahead and hit Let's Do It. Okay. Now, what we have done here is we've went ahead and added an extra file here that shows you what shortcuts you can use with a numeric keypad. So if you would like to use a keypad, or if you have a cordless or remote keypad, you can hit the asterisk key and it will pause the scrolling. You can hit the / and it will start to resume. You can hit the pause and then any number starting from 1 up through 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, and it will change the scrolling speed accordingly. I'm going to go ahead and put this on 8 now, which is a fairly fast one. So I hit pause, I put 8, now I'm going to hit the / for resume, and as you can see, it's going pretty fast. Now, I have also I'm going to go ahead and pause. Okay. If you hit the minus key, it will jump back about 720 pixels, which is about a page size if you're doing 1280 by 720. And if you want to go forward the screen, then you would press the plus. So just press on the plus key. And go ahead and go back. And if you press the delete key with the period, it takes you all the way back to the beginning. All the way back. So that's how that works. Let's pull it forward. One more right there. Yeah, right there. Jump back to the start of the script. That's the period, or which would be a delete or a period sign. So those are some nice little functions if you want to be able to control the script from across the room and you have either a keypad or a cordless keypad that you can use, numeric keypad, that will help you to be able to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and jump back out of here. Let's see, what else do I need to cover here real quickly? I think that's about it. Yeah, we've changed the formatting a little bit, put put everything in a place where I think it makes a lot more sense. The most important functions at the top, the ones you use most frequently. Teleprompter delay, of course, is there, and as indicated, I think in a prior video, we've got up to 30-second delay. So that's about it. Those are the new functions, new features, and hopefully you'll be able to benefit from those.